Welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever seen a photo online and wondered exactly where in the world it was taken? What if an AI could pinpoint its location, not just to the right city, but to the correct street, even if the photo was taken anywhere on an entire continent? Well, that's exactly what a new research paper details, and the results are pretty stunning. Determining a photo's precise location is a huge challenge in computer vision known as geolocalization. Traditionally, AI models have faced a major trade-off. Some methods are highly precise, but only work within a single city, while others can work globally but are very coarse, maybe only getting you within 10 kilometers of the right spot. This paper introduces a breakthrough hybrid approach that gets the best of both worlds, continent-level scale with street-level precision. Here's the core idea. The researchers created an AI that combines two different strategies. First, it uses a classification approach, which involves dividing a massive area, like Western Europe, into a grid of small cells. The model then learns a unique visual prototype or signature for each cell based on ground-level images from that area. This prototype essentially summarizes what makes that specific location visually distinct. But here's the really clever part, shown in their training diagram. They fuse these learned ground view prototypes with information from readily available aerial and satellite imagery. This overcomes a major hurdle, as aerial images help fill in the gaps in rural areas where street-level photos might be sparse or non-existent. The combination of ground-level detail and aerial overview makes the system incredibly robust and scalable. So, how well does it actually work? In their massive scale experiments, the model was able to localize over 68% of query images to within 200 meters of their true location. And it did this across a dataset covering a huge portion of Western Europe. This table shows just how much more efficient their method is, compared to a state-of-the-art retrieval method that would require a 5 terabyte database. Their hybrid approach needs only 42 gigabytes. This visualization shows the learned prototypes as a map. Different colors represent different types of learned environments, like urban centers, forests, or coastal regions, showing the AI is learning meaningful geographic features. We can also see examples of images the system was asked to locate. It handles many different scenes well, but can be tripped up by extreme close-ups or large objects like trucks blocking the view. So let's recap the key points. This research presents a new hybrid AI that can geolocate ground-level photos with high precision across a continent-sized area. It achieves this by learning visual prototypes for grid cells and combining them with aerial imagery, solving the long-standing trade-off between scale and accuracy. What could this mean for the future? This technology could be foundational for a number of applications. Think about verifying the location of photos in news reports, providing hyper-accurate priors for self-driving cars, or even automatically creating huge 3D world models. It's a massive step forward in teaching computers to understand the visual geography of our planet.